new member of our family, and that is the mother. She delivered last January 7. Mashallah. Very nice their color. Combination color, white and brown. Juke, you're hungry? Yun yung mother nila. Oh. And then ito naman, yung first our goat, this one. This one, how many years already there?
This one is now 3 years now.
3 years. 3 years now. And last year of May, she delivered these two goats. You see? They are always with my husband. Oh. God, you see how he eat now like this. Mm. And inshallah, this one, she will deliver soon on when that this one 16 inshallah. This black. And this one last year, this brown, she delivered this one last year, nadar. And now she delivered also this coming 16 inshallah. Oh, ito yung cute ng cute. Ang cute ng dalawang, they are two goats. He goats. Kya! Mashallah. Very nice there. And this one inshallah, this black and white, she delivered also on March 30 inshallah, this one. March 30. Ayan, so ilan na yung aming kambing? 7 na. Ayan, mashallah. Kaya why always you are there? Now she come already. They come already with me here. They want to make video also. Mashallah, our he goats. Ayan. Kumakain sila. Ito yung pagkain nila. Ayan. Coming soon, she will deliver this one, black. Our new member, and this is the mother. She delivered last January 7. But mashallah, they can stand up, they can walk, they can run. In 15 days, they can run. You see, mashallah, the very nice color. Good combination, brown and white. And mother is only brown. Sariling sikap si Nawas, oh. Kumakain siya ng dried na grasses. Ito yung pearl millet. Ayan, may mga flowers siya, oh. Ito yung kinakain niya. Ito naman yung, ito yung pinakaasin nila. Ayan. Ito yung pagkain nila, oh. Nag-i-enjoy sila sa sa pagkain nila. Where is other one? Where? Yung isa ay pumunta na doon. Yung isang higot. Yung doon pumunta na doon. Ayan. Ang cute ng dalawa nito. Oh, mashallah. Ano lang kaiinom nila ng gatas.